As you can see in the previous videos, we successfully create a base for our game. In this video, we will add other cars in the game. So let's get started. So first, create an empty game object. Rename it called other car manager. Inside this, create another game object called active cars. Now duplicate this and rename this one unactive cars. Open the scripts folder and create a new C# script called other car manager. Now attach this script to the other car manager object. We need one more script called other car controller. Open the prefab folder. Here, create a new folder called path and drag our path inside this folder to keep things organized. Now create a new folder called other cars. Okay, so now let's add some other cars in the game. So first, open the models, go to the cars folders, and here simply open the random folder and choose the model and drag them to the hierarchy like this. Select all the cars and unpack the prefab completely. Add a mesh collider in these cars. Make sure you select all the cars. Inside this component, check this convex option. Add a rigid body component. Here, set the mass to 3. Now add other car controller script here. Open the prefab, other car folder, and drag our cars one by one inside this folder. So delete all the cars from the hierarchy. That's it for this lesson. See you there in the next lesson.